Welcome to Metrolabs. We design, manufacture, supply, and install school lab furniture. We are exploring the essential pieces of furniture that make a biology lab functional and efficient. Island table. This versatile workspace is perfect for collaborative experiments and projects. With its spacious surface, it accommodates various lab equipment and materials, making it a central hub for activity. We provided separate sink unit. Individual apparatus and personal productive equipment can be stored at each student's workspace by using under-bench cupboard. We designed specimen cupboard to securely store and preserve biological specimens. It features temperature and humidity control to maintain optimal conditions. Floor standing cupboard security is crucial in a lab setting. The wall side cabinet. These cabinets are great for maximizing storage space without taking up floor area. Lab stools are necessary here, since there will be more drawing work than practical work. Whether it's a human skeleton or animal models, having them displayed on a sturdy rack makes learning more interactive and engaging. For more information, www.schoolupfurniture.com. Call 7010075103. Mail us .enquiry@schoolupfurniture.com. Our supply network covers all regions of India.